Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see some beautiful party wear collections. It's all going to be chanderi, jute linen. We're going to have mixed varieties in this video. Very beautifully hand woven pattern. All the sarees are. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299 93848 51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's a beautiful kota saree in that we have a nice copper work which has been done throughout the saree, a thread weave design. Both the sides we have a antique border, and throughout the body also we have a beautiful manga weave design, mango paint. Inside that we have a nice meenakari design, and the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu, and the blouse is very beautiful one. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1300. It's a lovely green pure chanderi saree. Both the sides we have a silver piping border, and throughout the body also we have a print. Along with that we have a simple motif which has been running along, which has been a weaving design in gold and silver color alternatively. Throughout the saree we have that, and it's a simple pallu with tassels, and a very beautiful different blouse. See the blouse, it's a very different blouse, fully embroidery one. We have full embroidery in this blouse, and the price of the saree is 1990. It's a beautiful dark violet color or a purple color matka silk saree. Both the sides we have a Ganga Jamuna border in this. It's a zari border. In that we have they have done a beautiful meenakari work. On one side it's a different color, on the other side it's different, and throughout the body it's a small booty which has been weaved along the saree. Very pretty saree. This is the pallu of the saree. And if you see, the blouse is also very rich, nice blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1660. It's a beautiful green colored tissue saree. It's completely a tissue weave saree. On the bottom part we have a long border and a silver zari on it, and on the other side it's just a piping green, darker green border. Throughout the body it's a plain, but continuously it's been silver tissue weave, so it looks very rich and grand. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in line design, pretty one, and the price of the saree is 980. It's a beautiful red color Bengal handloom saree. Both the sides we have a nice kadizari border, and throughout the body we have a nice round butta which has been running along the saree. It's all zari buttas which has been weaved. Very pretty and classy. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is running, and the price of the saree is 710. Such a lovely pink color tissue saree. This saree is looking so grand, so pretty. The bottom part we have a darker pink and silver weave design, and on the other side it's a piping border, and throughout the body it's a rich, very rich tissue weave running along the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this. Very soft material also. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 980. It's a nice light mango yellow chanderi saree. Both the sides we have a kadizari border and silver piping, and throughout the body we have a beautiful box pattern design which has been running along the saree, which makes the saree very rich and grand. It's all completely silver weaved also, and the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu, and the blouse of the saree is also very rich, a nice jacquard blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1040. Lovely indigo blue Bengal handloom saree. Both the sides is a nice kadizari border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful motif, a round motif which has been running along the saree. It's all completely zari weaved, and the pallu of the saree is this, and we have tassels in the corners, and a nice running blouse, and the price of the saree is 710. A beautiful matka silk saree. The flow of this material will be so beautiful. It will fall like a synthetic saree, but it's completely a weaved pattern design. Both the sides we have a nice zari border weaving, and in that we have a beautiful meenakari work which has been running on the body, on the border, and throughout the body also we have a small meenakari work which has been done. Very rich saree, and the pallu of the saree is a beautiful pallu, and the blouse is very classy blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1660. It's a beautiful green color saree. Both the sides we have a simple silver lining border, and the material of the saree is really very flowy and nice. Like you can do it a single pleat or you can pleat it. The material is really soft, and throughout the body we have a beautiful silver weaving design which has been running along the saree, a simple motif. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu, and we have a beautiful rich blouse, a jacquard blouse in silver weaving. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1120. It's a beautiful orange tissue saree. On the bottom part of the saree we have a beautiful darker orange color border, and we have a silver pattern design which has been running along the bottom part, and on the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body it's a beautifully silver weave, which makes the saree very rich. But the material of the saree is very flowy. This is the pallu of the saree. Very soft, nice material actually, though its tissue is very soft. And the pallu of the saree is in line design. This is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 980. It's a lovely black Bengal handloom saree. Both the sides are nice kadizari border, and throughout the body we have a butta design which has been running along the saree, and it's all completely zari weaved. Beautiful design. And the pallu of the saree is this, and we have lovely tassels on the corners. And the blouse of the saree is running blouse, and the price of the saree is 710. It's a lovely light peachish orange color chanderi saree. On the borders we have a nice silver piping border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful silver weave design in box pattern which has been running along the saree. You have that design completely throughout the saree. And the pallu of the saree is also a rich pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is really very rich and grand. You don't need to design anything on this. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1040. It's a nice different color, a light khaki shade with the pink combination chanderi saree. Both the sides we have a nice simple zari border, and throughout the body we have a simple motif of diagonal designs in diamond shape, and inside that we have booties also. The saree is very subtle and simple but very elegant and beautiful saree. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1460. It's a beautiful light mango yellow with a pink combination chanderi saree, completely a zari weave design, so it looks very rich and elegant, and it's a very soft material also. You can float, you can do a single fleet, anything is fine. Both the sides we have a nice ikat zari border, and throughout the body we have a simple motif which has been running along in diagonal shapes. Inside that we have booty also. The pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu, and we have a nice contrast blouse. This is the blouse of, this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1460. It's a lovely kota saree, completely a thread weave design and antique color throughout. Bottom part we have a bigger border, in that a beautiful meenakari work is being done. On the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful zigzag weaving in meenakari pattern. Very pretty saree, rich one. This is the pallu of the saree, and a very pretty blouse too. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1300. Such a lovely orange color saree. Both the sides is a silver piping border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful silver design which has been running along the saree. It's a nice motif, a simple nice rich motif, and the pallu of the saree is this, a grand pallu. The material is so flowy and very nice, and the blouse of the saree is a rich blouse, and the price of the saree is 1120. It's a nice royal blue tissue saree. These sarees look so rich and classy. On the bottom part we have a beautiful big border and a silver weaved pattern on the borders, beautiful one. On the other side it's a small piping border, and throughout the body is a tissue weave saree. It's a very classy saree, like more like a silk saree design. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is in line design. It's very nice. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 980. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the collections. It's all very different designs and weavings. The weavers really do a very nice job in these sarees. For purchasing these sarees, please take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.